Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into exciting rumors about the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you're a tech enthusiast or just love to stay updated with the latest gadgets, this is the video for you. First, let's talk about the battery. The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is rumored to have a battery capacity of up to 7,000 mAh using silicon-carbon (CC) technology. This is a significant upgrade, offering users longer battery life and better performance. A larger battery means you can use your phone for extended periods without constantly worrying about recharging. Many Chinese smartphone makers have already adopted CC batteries to meet power requirements and improve battery life while maintaining a slim form factor. This technology allows for a more efficient energy storage solution, benefiting users with a longer-lasting and sleeker device. It's exciting to see Samsung adopting this advanced technology to stay competitive in the market. The Galaxy S26 series is expected to support 65W fast charging to complement the increased battery capacity. This means you can charge your phone quickly and get back to using it without long wait times. Fast charging is a game changer, especially for those with busy schedules who need their devices ready to go at a moment's notice. It's important to note that this information is based on rumors and early reports. As with any leaks, the final specifications may change as we get closer to the official release. While we hope these features make it to the final product, it's always good to keep an eye out for official announcements from Samsung. In summary, the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is rumored to feature a 7,000 mAh CC battery, fast charging support, and technology already adopted by many Chinese competitors. While these details are exciting, remember that they are based on early reports and could change. We'd love to hear your thoughts about the Galaxy S26 Ultra and what features you're most excited about. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.